8 benefits of rope jumping exercise. Lose belly fat jumping rope. The jump rope is rarely viewed as a serious means to exercise, but it is actually an excellent way to get your body in shape. Apart from giving you the ability to work out anytime and practically anywhere with a little bit of space, rope jumping can change your body and life in many different ways. In a 2020 study published by the Journal of Pediatric Endocrinology and Metabolism, researchers found several positive effects of engaging in a 12-week jump rope exercise routine. An earlier study published by the European Journal of Applied Physiology in 2018 found similar results. If you're interested in jump roping, especially if you want to lose your belly fat, here are 8 of the most critical benefits you can expect to gain. Every one of the 8 critical benefits is essential, so make sure to watch all to gain full knowledge of what you must do to lose your belly fat and gain other life-improving benefits. Before we continue, please like the video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified when I upload the next video. 1. Develop your muscles. Muscles help you burn fat, but many people don't know this. Using a jump rope involves practically all muscle groups in your body. Specifically, jumping up and down develops the muscles in your thighs and calves, while swinging the rope develops your arms and shoulders. 2. Strengthen your core. Apart from the muscles in your extremities, exercising with a jump rope requires you to activate your core. Doing so is the only way to maintain your balance, which helps strengthen your back and your abdomen. The best part is that, as your abs get stronger, you can also expect it to look leaner because stronger ab muscles help you burn belly fat. 3. Improve bone strength. Bone density is vital to your general health, and the best way to improve it is by making sure you have strong muscles. So by developing your major muscle groups, you're also strengthening your bones. Eventually, you'll notice that this gives you the additional benefit of a good posture, making you look slimmer and more confident. 4. Burn calories. A jump rope workout is an excellent cardiovascular exercise that increases your heart rate and helps you burn off energy. Additionally, it engages large muscle groups, proven to sustain calorie burning even hours after the exercise session. Jumping rope helps you burn fat, builds your stamina, tightens your core, as well as tones your calves. 5. Stimulate your metabolism. Burning more calories and using more muscles requires more energy and much more fuel, so jump roping has tremendous effects on metabolism. If you're careful to supplement your rope jumping routine with a balanced diet, you can quickly burn belly fat and achieve your ideal body weight. 6. Balance insulin. Using a jump rope regularly helps keep your glucose levels balanced. The most significant effect of maintaining healthy blood sugar levels is lowering your risk of type 2 diabetes. Additionally, insulin is an essential factor in losing fat and maintaining a healthy weight. 7. Melt fat. Rope jumping exercises have a significant effect on body composition. Because it is a cardiovascular exercise that also engages large muscle groups, it helps burn fat much more quickly than long walks on a treadmill. 8. Shrink your belly. In both studies, researchers noted not only the effect of jump rope exercises on body fat percentage, but specifically on waist circumference. So even if jumping doesn't feel like you're targeting your abs, doing it regularly will help you lose your body fat. Using a jump rope gives you many of the same benefits as any other workout, but this gives you the convenience of doing compound movements and building your body without needing weights nor complicated equipment. The best part is that rope jumping has a tremendous effect on your belly fat. You can enjoy leaner muscles, a stronger core, and a narrower waist by doing this regularly. Following are study references we used to create this video. I hope you liked the video. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thank you.